it's up
Video.
somewhere. Look how much pollution on. Look how plonk.
Oh, that's amazing. Gotta get back and record. Go forward.
And again.
It's gonna do it again. It would be better. Stan, you can see like a little light coming out, little beam.
Yeah.
Can't you?
It's a light beam. Cereal.
I thought you was.
Have you done purple, Barry?
No.
I'll catch all of the recording on my iPad.
I know the thing.
He's doing it!
Go on.
I'll just sit on the bed.
Okay.
Not comfortable.
Mommy, look.
Oh. Oh. I'm going to put you on the windowsill. Do you want to sit? Go. Look at you, clever boy.
What was that? Because it was amazing. I've got a lot more to do. Oh my god, yeah. Like 2 million more.
Because I think when it comes to Bonfire now, we should start saving our money and give some money to Mum Blood to buy some.
Mom, I'm just going to lie down on the bed. I can catch the recording on my iPad.
That's so clever. Get that which one's next.
I mean, you did want me to record everything.
Yeah. No, I said if you wish to record with me. I
I
love
want it
watching.
to be saved in my iPad's memory.
Amazing.
That's why.
Wow.
I have to get up and see this in real life. Oh my god. That's amazing.
Wow. That's a big thank you to Mum when he gets it. You need to close the window downstairs, guys.
Yeah.
Mommy, I will have it this.
Huh?
What have it?
Can you give him a flashlight?
I still gave you.
Is it on me? Can you give him a flashlight? Oh, could be very good. Look, you shot Paris. Oh, that's so
Get on the
pretty.
bed. Get on the bed. It's going to turn into something more amazing. Is it?
Right, it's not leaking.
Oh, look how cute that
Look
baby.
at
That was so cool. I'm glad that was on my iPad. Oh,
Nice.
that
It's
is.
not leaking.
I think people might think I'm gonna upload that to YouTube definitely. Or do it again.
Whoa.
I think
You're gonna
everyone's gonna say edited. I think everyone's gonna be in the comments saying fake like this comment, fake like if you think it's fake, and then they'll have an arrow pointing to fake, to the like button for their comment, and everyone will be like that will edit and
Right,
fake.
you're gonna break the window.
And
Stand up first, and then I give it you. Stand up.
So they're just gonna be like,
Oh, careful. There we go. Oh no. Oh, there's another. Oh, that is gorgeous and pink. Gentle.
oh, there's blue.
That is beautiful.
I mean white.
Oh, I love fireworks.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Beautiful, not beautiful.
That's how I say it. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
It's 3 minutes and 39 seconds.
Judging.
Yeah. Not you. They're okay, my dear. Gentle fire.
So why would they think fireworks are literally
Get off.
edited?
This is how children get strangled. So many children have died like that. Oh, look at that.
It's a little baby.
They're so cute. Little fountain.
Yeah, it's fabulous.
Yeah, little fairies. You beauty like my fairies. Go on.
I think it.
I know. I want to Papa.
Yeah.
Papa, thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Sometimes you can be so harmless to the world.
Isn't it like being? Oh yeah, I see it. Finally.
Good.
Can I have
Good
it?
boy.
I have the flashlight. It's a flashlight, guys.
Yeah, of course.
It's
You just stand behind Faris. If you fall, you catch him.
Flashlight. Hello. Wait, why
Do you want to sit you on the windowsill?
I'm distracted by the video instead by a
Bye,
flash.
sit here.
Oh, is that Mama's? What's his name?
What is all done?
Just put your bum on there and then turn to the side.
Done.
Yeah.
Oh, they're done.
And you can even have a warm radiator.
No, that is done, Mum. There's nothing left.
One more.
Let me go check.
Oh, cool.
One more.
If you realise that it's actually done, just end the video.
Okay.
One more one.
He's coming. Come on then.
Alright.
And just